How to activate modes. Place the cookware on the zone with the following marking, Modes. Activate the zone by pressing the zone on/off button. Press Modes. The display will show two dimly lit indicators, Keep Warm, at the top and Melt at the bottom. Use the up and down arrows to select the desired function. After a few seconds, the desired function will be activated. The display will show A1 for Melt and A2 for Keep Warm, and the corresponding icon will become brighter. Melt. The function automatically sets the ideal power for melting. This function allows you to melt delicate food, such as chocolate or butter, and maintain it melted without the risk of burning or sticking to the pot or pan. Keep Warm. The function automatically sets the ideal power for keeping food warm after cooking and before serving.